guys, what's up? It's Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm super excited about. I'm always excited if I'm being honest, but today it's a special day for me, you guys. As you can see from the title, we have a Telfar unboxing video. Before we even get into that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and give the video a thumbs up if you guys do enjoy it. Yeah, I'm not gonna make this intro too long because the people came here to see the bag. Just a quick disclaimer, because somebody gonna come for me if I don't do this. I got this bag from Depop. Don't beat me up. Do not beat me up, okay? It was only because I always freaking miss the drops, or I'm never able to get the bag because it sells out. And the person I bought it from Depop said this is in brand new condition, so I hope it's still in its like original packaging and stuff like that. But let's just get into it, y'all. Guys, this package literally came like a week ago, and I was fighting the urge to open this up. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. Hello. Before we even look at the bag, it came, I guess this is the original packaging it comes in. Okay, it just has the Telfar logo on the front. Okay, this is the bag, y'all. So I just got the I think this is the tan color. I'll link the exact bag down below on the website. I promise you it's not gonna be in stock by the time I link this, but just so you know the exact color that I got. And this is their small shopper bag. So this retails for $150. The bags actually come in 3 different sizes. So it's the small shopper size, a medium size that retails for $200, and then the large one that retails for $250. Yeah, I can tell this bag has never been used before because, you know, it still has the labels on it. Here are the straps. They're pretty lengthy. And it's like good material, y'all. I think the bags are made out of like vegan leather, I think, but this material is durable. And then we just got the you know, the price tag over here, and then inside, this is how you know it's a real Telfar bag. The real Telfar bags are always gonna have the T in the inside. I recommend trying to get it from the website if you can, but if you really want a bag and you're just not able to get it during the drops, make sure that it has the Telfar logo. That's how you know that it's a real Telfar bag, because people are making fake Telfar bags, guys. I don't know if you know that, but that's how I know this brand is actually blowing up, because so many people are making fake bags of this, or like replicas of this. There's no pockets or anything inside, but it's just a button that opens and closes. So let's get a little bit into the details of the brand, because y'all know I love to give y'all a little bit of background on small businesses and black businesses. By the way, if you have not seen my small business haul and small business lookbook, I will link that down below. For those of you guys who don't know what Telfar is, they went super viral starting like last summer at the start of quarantine. Telfar is a small black owned brand. The designer is actually Liberian American, okay? And if y'all didn't know, I'm Liberian American too. The brand is based in New York, and they're a unisex, genderless brand, which is so cool. I know so many fashion brands are doing that whole genderless sort of unisex theme right now, so Telfar is another one of them. Yeah, they went viral, you guys, over the summer, and ever since then, you guys, it's been so hard to get a bag during drops. I definitely recommend you follow him on his Instagram and turn on the notifications to see when those drops are. But good luck to you, because it's actually quite hard to get the bags during the drops. This is not only just a small black owned brand on the come up, but it's a luxury small black owned business, and I love that. I feel like there aren't too many luxury black owned businesses, and I would just love to see more of that. They don't only make bags, they also make like accessories and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure they even have a few apparel pieces, but they're known for these bags, honey. I'm so late to this trend, but I'm happy I finally got it. Don't be surprised if you see me wear this all the time. Don't say nothing if I'm wearing this in every single outfit. Honestly, my final review of this bag, I'm sure you can tell by my reaction that I love it. This is actually my first designer bag too, so I'm hyped. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hyped. It's just a really good quality bag, you guys, and I really think that you guys should get it. All these bags are handmade, so there's a lot of effort that goes into the quality of these bags, which I appreciate, because fast fashion is killing our people, and I'm still a fast fashion shopper, not gonna lie, because I'm broke. You know, if I have the opportunity to support brands that aren't fast fashion, of course I'm going to do so as well. That's basically my final review of the bag. Definitely, if you're thinking about getting that Telfar bag, baby, you need to get it. I actually think it's a really bomb investment and just an amazing bag overall. Or if you guys have a Telfar bag, comment down below too what color you guys have. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.